Hello guys, in this video let us check out the AutoVox Solar 4 truly wireless backup camera kit. Opening up the box, here's what we get. So we get this whole backup camera kit accessories. So here's what we have inside the box. You can see we have many accessories. We have the camera, the holder, the solar panel. So here's the camera, there's a monitor and the user manuals, etc. We have many of the products that we have here. Taking a quick look at the monitor, you can see it's written please install and use the product according to user manual, and here are some buttons given which are pretty self-explanatory. So OK, up, down, menu and channel. And this is the camera. So you can see this is how the camera looks. So you can see here sensors and you have the camera. Side we have the USB port. This side we have the antenna. The power port and the USB port will get connected to the solar panel that we have. So here is a solar panel that we have that will get connected to the USB to the camera that I just showed. And then these are some mounting accessories that you can just read the manual, see how they work. And here we have the 18 months warranty, so you can extend your warranty for 18 months and you can see how you can do this. Let's take a look at the user manual itself. This shows the content of the user manual and also shows the package contents. In the user manual diagrammatically you can see it's very well explained and how to use this camera, which is very good. Connect the camera to solar panel and fix it with the given mount to your car, RV or your home. You can just make sure how the camera looks and you can tilt the degree and you can just fix the degree of the camera accordingly. So you can see it's shown how you can fit it on the roof. And here this shows the monitor operation. So you can see up, down, menu, down and the channel button. So you can see we have the operation instructions. This basically tells the battery condition of the camera, so you can check this. So that was a really quick unboxing overview of the AutoVox Solar 4 truly wireless backup camera. We'll be coming up with a full review very soon. Make sure to check the description for the full review. Also, if you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same in the description from where you can go and buy it. Thank you so much for watching guys. We'll catch you guys soon in the next video.